Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we are going to review this bite-sized palette from e.l.f. Acai You, and we are going to do this look, this reverse eyeliner look with this palette, right? So if you want to see the review and how I did this look and how this palette performs, if it's a good palette or not, let's get into the video. Let's go. Also, if you want to buy this palette, the link will be given in my description box. You can check that out. It's an affiliate link. Yup. Okay, so this is the palette in question, and let me tell you, you can't just open this palette like that, okay? It is secured, like with Z++ security, and we're going to do a very cute ASMR of opening this up, right? Wait. I hope it happened. Ooh, wow, this is cute. You know, जब e.l.f. launch हुआ था इंडिया में, तब उस टाइम पर like 6 shades I believe launch हुए थे, और वो जो 6 shades थे ना, they were more like berry tones, oranges, pumpkin type of tones, like बहुत ही like for me, मेरे लिए personally वो tones उतने ज़्यादा अपीलिंग नहीं थे. लाइक आई लाइक फैंसी स्टफ, वो उतने अच्छे नहीं थे. ये वाला मैंने e.l.f. की वेबसाइट पे देखा था, जो यूएस वाली वेबसाइट है, एंड आई रियली वांटेड कि ओह माय गॉड, व्हाई डज नायका नॉट हैव दिस, लाइक ये क्यों लॉन्च नहीं हुआ. एंड एक्चुअली इसके साथ एक और है, बट वो मैंने वहाँ रखा हुआ है, वो मैं अगली वीडियो में करूँगी उसका रिव्यू. इट वॉज हैलपिनोज वाला, एंड ये 2 पैलेट्स मुझे लेने थे. लाइक लिटरली उस टाइम पर मुझे इतना वो हो रहा था ना कि हाँ ये वाले लॉन्च क्यों नहीं हुए. एंड या I mean, I have these in my hands now and I'm so happy. Okay, so आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Like, I don't want to do like this very simple look like we always do with these eyeshadows, like crease and everything. I want to do something different. I want to do a reverse eyeliner kind of a situation, right? So, yeah. That is what we are doing. So ये 4 shades हैं, जिसमें से as you can see, ये 1, 2, 3, ये 3 बहुत ही dark shades हैं, right? And this one is like this very pop of blue. So we're going to put this in a corner, और बाकी ये तीनों जो है हम outer wing में something like that we are going to. Okay, this is the brush I'm going in with, right? बहुत thin है. This is from Cousin Lashes, it's E002, and I am going to take okay, let's hope we get this right, because I think it's a little technically difficult thing to do. And yeah, I mean, okay, so I'm going to start with this shade, right? And let's coat it, and I am just going to put it over here, okay? Very end of my eye, like not waterline. This is not my waterline, this is my lash line, and I am just going to extend it like this with a flick. Okay, very easy thing. I'm going to smudge a little bit of the same color in my lash line. सिर्फ आधे तक लेकर जा रही हूँ. This looks good, but it doesn't look like it's very blue. Maybe I should have gone with like a kajal or something as a base to the blue. But you know what? I think I want to test this eyeshadow on its own. I don't want to go in with the kajal or anything. If I want a kajal, I will add it in the end, but not right now. You know, on camera, it looks a little black, but I do definitely see it's a little midnight blue, navy blue kind of a moment happening over here, right? And with the same brush, I'm going to take the very shade next to it, this one, ye wala, right? This. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend it upar se to give that definition to my eye. Okay, this is a little lackluster. Oh no, like you can't smudge this. Okay, oh my god, the fallout is intense. It's like falling on my eyes. So I'm going back with the matte shade, and let me just you know what, it just saturated my brush and now I can't work. Wait, I'll go back in with that matte shade and I'm going to work on the wing. Oh, I think I have that perfect shape. I'm extending it thoda sa aage, right? And now I will add that glitter shimmer shade. Not bad. I didn't get to the lower lash line. You know what? Let's do this thing. I am going to take a very a little narrow brush that would be good for smudging purpose, right? I'm just going to take the same shimmer shade and I'm going to smudge it, right? Ooh, and again on the top. Oh, you know, you can't really call it a reverse liner movement because I do have like a liner upar bhi, but you know what, I want it to be a little bit more prominent towards the lower lash line, so upar se main thoda zyada smudge kar rahi hu taki wo utna zyada pata na lage. Now I am going to take this shade over here and now I'm going to add it on the rest of my lash line. This color doesn't have like a lot of pigment, it is more like a sparkle shade. See, it doesn't have much. So you know what, to make it work, I think I need to put in like something blue. So this is from K Beauty. It is in, I think this is something like navigator-ish something, right? Let me apply this. Okay, this is a little bit too blue for this look. Okay guys, so I have added lashes and yeah, like this lash is much bigger than this lash because मैंने थोड़ी सी गलत काट दी थी, and we're not going to talk about how this eye looks entirely different than this eye. I mean, yeah, it's okay, it's fine. We are not going to talk about that, right? So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I like this palette. Like, I see potential, but is like, I don't know, like this isn't the most I would say most pigmented palette. I'm just going to give you a little bit of swatches, right? Let's talk about that first. Okay, first of all, this shade over here, although ये मेरे हाथ पे उतना ज़्यादा नहीं दिख रहा, wait, मैंने लगाया गलत जगह, stupid me. Yeah, this shade over here, this is like one of the most pigmented shades from the palette, which is surprising because these type of shades, ये थोड़े powder light blue shades होते हैं, periwinkle-ish, इतनी जल्दी pigmented नहीं होते, ज़्यादा show up नहीं करते, but this is good. This darker shade should have been pigmented, like this should have been better pigmented than what this is. And ये दोनों sparkles ना, I would say थोड़ी सी lackluster है, like I would expect a little bit more. Yeah, so that is that. So these cost 350 rupees and जब मैंने ली थी I think 280 ish में लिया था, and you can also get them at buy one get one free. So 350 में आपको दो भी मिल जाएंगे, इतनी तक भी सेल आती है e.l.f पे. So उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में अगर मैं देखूँ तो this is good palette. Like मैं उस केस में बिल्कुल कुछ कंप्लेंट नहीं करूँगी. I am not like loving it, I'm not living it. I just feel a little, I just feel कि थोड़ा सा रह गया, like मजा नहीं आया, वो बस चीज रह गई. Otherwise it's not bad. It's good for beginners who want to invest into something which is pigmented and blue in color. I would say you can definitely try this one out. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you next video guys. Bye bye.